Back here first, and I'll keep my
My
eye
question
out.
is about the concentrations of saline, saline concentration in the ballast water. When they dump in freshwater port, is there saltwater intrusion that we should be worried about? And if there are endangered species that are being affected in that port or near the port by invasive species that are already there, is this endangering them even more?
Okay, I'm not sure I caught the second part. So I'll answer the first part and then I'll get you to repeat the second part. So the first part I think was essentially, should we be worried about the amount of salt water getting discharged in? To some extent, yes, because we're putting salt water in, and I believe that 2 of the state permits will not allow discharge of any salt water in their ports. Is that right?
Not any, but we do regulate it.
Okay. But I guess it's the long-term effect of, chemical discharge, which at some point we can dilute or get rid of if when we get to the point of treatment technologies or things, if we're no longer doing it, the concerns will go away, versus a biological pollution which comes in and starts an established population that's reproducing and growing and can never be gotten rid of. So I guess it's the lesser of 2 evils.
Okay, so, like the concentrations of saline that we are putting into our freshwater ports, these aren't endangering the species, our native species that are already there? It's not affecting these sensitive freshwater vertebrates?
I'm not aware of anything showing that it is. So even though we're talking about 800,000 cubic meters of ballast water over a year, that's for the whole Great Lakes, all ports. And I'm not sure how that compares to the amount of what's used in road salt annually around the Great Lakes, but I think it would be a very small percentage of the amount of salt that gets in by managing the roads. So the relative risk is low compared to other activities, but it's not a zero risk.